Hi, my name is Gayatri and I will be your trainer for this session.
Hi, and welcome to a quick introduction to Docker. This is lesson 12, and in this session, we are going to see Docker and HCD. So, HCD is a strongly consistent distributed key value store that provides a reliable way to store data that needs to be accessed by a distributed system or a cluster of machines. Okay, it can gracefully handle leader elections during network partitions and can also tolerate machine failures even of the leader machine. That's the leader node. And Kubernetes is the most popular container orchestration platform that uses HCD. Okay, so in this session, we will be creating a simple HCD node and we'll see how the key value store works and how to access it via CLI and REST API. Alright, so let's get started. So first we'll create the HCD container. So let's start with a clean Docker daemon and then execute the command docker run --rm -d -p, that's capital P, --name HCD, that's the name we're giving a container, and then the Docker image name. Okay, so the container is ready. Docker PS shows that we have a running HCD container. Let's execute the command docker port and give the name of the container, and this will give you a list of ports that are exposed by this container. So we have got around 4 ports that are being exposed by this container. Port 4001 is the port that we will be using for our REST API. So that looks good. So now let's start executing some HCD CLI commands. So we will be using the docker exec command for that. So docker exec, the name of the container, which is HCD, and then the HCD commands that we want to execute inside this container. So docker exec HCD HCDCTL, then the key name. Remember, HCD is a key value store, so we need to have a key and a value. So in this command, my key is my_name and the value is Gayatri. Okay, so HCDCTL set my_name and Gayatri. So my_name is the key and Gayatri is the value. And now I am going to get the value of the keys. So that's also working. Okay, so let's do docker port HCD once again. Again, HCD. Remember, HCD is the name of our container. And let's get the port on the host machine that is mapped to port 4001 inside the container, because that's going to be our REST API port. So let's make API calls curl -l http :// localhost 32790. That's our REST API port. V2, that's version 2, and keys. So this will give you the list of keys that are stored in our HCD container. So we see that we have one key, that's my_name. Okay, it looks good. Let's get the value of my_name. So we give keys /my_name, and this is the value for that key. Now let's execute an API call to store a new key. So we are going to execute curl and keys / the new key name. Yeah, so in this case we are going to be creating a new key, my_name2, and the value is going to be Shri Prakash. Alright. Oh, oops, I shouldn't have given name equal to. I should have just given the value. So let me just quickly make that change. Alright. Okay, so now let's get the values via the CLI. So first let's do ETCD that's HCDCTL, get my name, and I get the name Gayatri, and HCDCTL get my name too, and I get the value Shri Prakash. Alright, so all looks good. Our HCD is working via CLI and it's working via the REST API call. Let's go ahead and clean our Docker daemon. So let's remove the container and ensure that our daemon is clean. With this, we come to an end of this session. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye-bye. If you want to learn more about Docker or any other platform or software, you can always visit our website shri.cc, where we have different lessons for different platforms and software. So the duration for these lessons are different depending on the level of depth that you want. So if you just want to get an idea of the course, we have such sessions for you. if you want to go deeper, you know the basics, you just want to go deeper into it, we have such sessions for you too. So feel free to contact us via our website, which is www.sree.cc, sree.cc. So thank you very much for your time. Hope this quick video gives you an idea or helps you get started or keeps you curious enough to watch the other episodes. See you soon. Bye-bye. If you like this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. And also click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every time we release a new lesson.